Remember that fasting is just not to stay hungry from the morning till the evening and engage ourselves by looking at haram things, opening the social media apps, opening TikTok, Instagram, and all these apps and looking at haram. Remember that it's not just staying away from food and water and keeping ourselves hungry for the whole day. But remember that when we are fasting, we should also keep our eyes controlled, our mouth controlled, our anger controlled. Remember that we are not fasting for anyone. We are fasting for the pleasure of Allah. If we think to ourselves that because we are hungry, we can lose our temper, we can lose, we can get angry, don't forget that we are only fasting for the pleasure of Allah. We are not fasting for the people. We are not fasting so that people should say, oh, he is fasting. And why should people stay away from us? Whilst we are in the state of fasting, to say, hey, don't go near this person. Why? Because he is a smoker or he is unable to, carry out the fast peacefully. He gets very angry very quickly. So the point is that we are not fasting for anybody. We are fasting for the pleasure of Allah. This is the test. This is where we have to realize. This is where we get close to Allah.